What's up YouTube? How are you doing today? I'm Chana D, the Techno Dad, and in this video I'm going to be checking out the NVIDIA Shield TV. And we're going to get into it right after the jump. And I'm back. Now if you're new to the channel, my name is Chana and I love all this new 4K resolution and high dynamic range going on in the TV and home theater space. So if you want to learn about 4K TVs and 4K Blu-ray players and 4K streaming devices like the NVIDIA Shield TV, you've come to the right place and you should consider subscribing. Alright, so I received the new NVIDIA Shield TV and lucky for me it's actually on sale right now. It's down to $139 from $179. So I decided to pick it up as a lot of people have been asking me about this streaming device in particular, and I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check it out on your own. Alright, let's go upstairs and get into the unboxing. So this box is pretty small, which means the Shield should be somewhat small as well. Sliding the top off of the box, we are greeted with the Shield and its remote. It is pretty small and has a great look to it with both flat and glossy black panels. The remote that comes with it is also very small and thin. It's very easy to hold in the hand, and it also has a combination of flat and glossy black sections. We also get some instructions and a power adapter. I gotta say, this thing looks pretty sweet. The front doesn't have much on it except for the green LED that lights up. Now that's pretty cool. The back panel is where all the connections are made. From left to right we have two USB ports, an HDMI output, Ethernet port for wired internet, and on the far right we have the power port. So I disconnected the Apple TV 4K and plugged in the Shield. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. I really like the way it looks. It's a very sleek little device. Now one of the things a lot of people were saying to me is that the Android OS in the NVIDIA Shield TV is way better than the one built into the Sony TVs. So I was super excited to try it out. Once we turn it on, it asks you to sign in and then we pick our favorite apps. It shows you how to use the remote, then does the update. And finally, when it gets back, it tells you all the cool stuff that it can do. Jumping into the main interface, this looks great. And it's very snappy, like super quick. This is awesome. It's leaps and bounds better than the Android OS on Sony TVs. Alright, so let's go into some movies on Vudu. I was glad to see that my 4K purchases were available in 4K. And some of them did have Atmos. What I did not like to see is there is no Dolby Vision support. What I did find was interesting was the Netflix app did not support Atmos, but it did support HDR, so I'm a little confused about this streaming device. Alright, so initially I was kind of unimpressed by this device, so I looked into the Amazon Fire Stick 4K, which is only $49. Supports all types of HDR, so from a home theater or movie standpoint, I think the Shield is a pass unless they get Dolby Vision, along with Dolby Atmos support for the Netflix app. So I did buy the Amazon Fire Stick 4K, and I already have the Apple TV 4K, and I have an Xbox One X, so I think I'll make a video comparing those three with the NVIDIA Shield TV. So I got a question for you guys. Which one do you have, or which one do you plan on buying? Why don't you let me know down in the comments. So yeah, I'm not really impressed with this device as of yet. I was hoping to really like it, but not just yet. So I'll check it out some more and compare it with the Apple TV 4K and the Amazon Fire Stick 4K, and definitely check it out and test it against the Xbox One X. Now, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and ask them down in the comments below or on whichever social media you like to use the most. Well, that's it for this video. It's pretty quick, wasn't it? Wow. Alright, if you liked it, go ahead, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the button in the middle of your screen. Once again, my name is Chana D. I am the Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time.